Ayan, dito ka ba, Diday? Ayan, dito na tayo sa Lawag International Airport. Sana ang masasabi mo kumpara doon sa Davao?
Dito is maganda talaga dito sa Lawag at saka malawak. Then, maganda dito. Pero mas maganda dito, Kuya Toy, kasi marami akong napuntahan. At saka,
Hindi dito sa airport yung sinasabi ko.
sa airport, maganda dito. Mas maganda doon sa Davao. Kasi,
Wag ka! Mas ganda sa Davao.
maganda yung sa Davao, yung
diba?
airport lang. Pero dito sa,
Maraming pasyalan dito sa Lawag.
Oo.
Dahil yung mga ancestral house, building, katulad ng Port Ilocanja.
Yan, doon.
Sinauna po yung mas matanda pa sa atin yun.
Maganda din
Diba?
talaga yung Port
Port Ilocanja.
Ilocanja.
Yung airport naman dito.
Ha?
Hindi ka napagod sa biyahe? Hindi ka napagod, sir?
Hindi ako.
Pagod pero
Wala akong
sulit.
Excited.
Bongga, nag-enjoy.
Wala akong
Sarap
pagod.
magpa-blower sa CR.
Yan, panoorin nyo guys sa vlog ni Maestro John TV. Nag-blower siya dun sa pag-dry ng kamay dun sa CR. O, diba?
Magawa.
Wala kasing blower eh. Kaya yun na lang.
So, para hindi ma-bored.
Diba?
Good ba? Doon ang pansin.
Yan. Dun tayo para mapansin tayo. Yan. Matras ka. Yan. Ito pala yung subscriber. Sir John TV. Thank you for watching, sir. Yan. Pugong biyahero po. Ay, susunod namin. Naka-yellow, dark yellow green. Ayan na siya. Oo. Thank you, sir, for watching our vlog for today. Yan, may subscriber. Si Sir Jonathan De La Cruz, subscriber din po siya ng PB Love. Thank you so much po, sir. Yan, kasama si
Para hanapin ka namin sa
Thank you for watching, sir, and sa pag-subscribe.
Out
So,
sa Jonathan De La Cruz of Lawag International Airport.
So, andito na rin. Ayun na yung susundin natin, no? Naka-yellow green.
Amerikano ka
Oh, isa po. Ay, nabagsak, sir? Yan. Hello, Sir Mark.
Kaya nyo na talaga.
Sorry.
Okay.
Nice meeting you, sir. I'm Totoy, sir.
Also, sir,
Kunin natin yung bagahe niya.
Where do I go? And where's Carmi?
She was there at the band, sir. Can I have the other bag, sir?
Sir, excuse me, your...
Oh, thank you.
Sir? Hindi po.
Hold on,
Let me handle this one, sir.
Can you believe my phone died just as I got here?
Yeah, sorry. Never mind. Ma'am Carmi's there.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
okay.
go.
Ayan niya. Ayan, sir. Kaya mo yan, sir. Mag-practice ka na. Ayan. Sir Mark, it's your first time here in the Philippines?
Nope, I've been here at least 3 times before.
Okay. And this way, sir.
As you see, I dress comfortably.
It's so hot. Ayan. Siya yung parang...
yung subscriber ko amin Pugong Biyahero.
Ay,
Bibuyan, Tres Marias, na ODD.
opo.
Ayun, sa Pro Marias.
Well, tapat na ngayon, sir. May makitaan, sir, dati ni ma'am. Kaya meron tayong subscriber, guys, na masugi na tagapanood dito na sa Lawag International Airport. At dito na si Sir Mark, fresh from the US. Okay. Hey, here, sir. Yan, sir. Ano dyan, sir? Pagkadyasan ko, sir.
Okay, in the back.
Ang bigat pala. Pusyak ka.
There you go.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ito giwam. Giwam.
Sissy.
You're sisig. What about the longanisa here?
Lumpio is pretty good. I do enjoy Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Yeah.
Sinigang pork or
Pork and fish.
and fish?
It's really good.
Yeah. It's good.
Na-split tayo guys.
How about
And there's another thing, I don't know what it's
did
called.
you taste the bagnet here? You have tasted already?
I've tasted a lot of it, I just can't remember the names.
Oh, okay. Did you eat rice?
Of course I eat rice.
Rice?
Everybody.
What?
Huh?
Rice?
Yeah, everybody eats
I
rice.
thought you were on
Thanks,
bread.
man.
What about pakbet? On the
As I said, I don't know the names of
Ilocano
everything.
dish. Ilocano dish vegetables.
There's
Mixed
a couple kind of
vegetables.
vegetables that really weird me out. Really weird.
So
For example, one of them's extremely
So you
bitter
will-
and makes me wonder why
you
people
will
eat
eat,
it at all.
you will eat pinakbet, vegetables in abra.
I'm sure.
There's also vegetable in abra as well.
Patay tayo
You
dyan.
will taste it. It's good.
Ayan
I'm
guys.
sure I will.
And the Mickey.
The problem right now is there's no way I'm going to be able to sleep in the back of this car.
Okay.
It's just too many bouncies.
Yes, for 2 hours more.
Try to get drowsy though.
You feel drowsy?
I'll try.
Hello! Good afternoon! We're back! So ito na guys. Kararating na namin galing sa Lawag City. Ayan. So ito nasundan na namin si Sir Mark from US. Ayan. I love you today, Sir Jun. Kamusta po ang biyahe? Sir Jun, are you okay? I love you today. Ang kumusta mga paa-paa dyan? Ayan. Hi, Mang. Tingnan mo sila doon.
Balay na ako, unak magiting.
Ayan. Tingnan natin, Sir
Yan,
Mark.
welcome mo naman.
Opo. Tsaka yung mga bagay ni Sir Mark nasa likod. Ayan mga babayan. Si Peking Pipi Love. Ayan. May chat sa akin, sir.
May ip.
Ayan. Ayan si Sir. May yung maleta ni Sir. Hi Sir Mark. Welcome to Abra, Philippines. Yeah. How does it feel, sir? You feel dizzy? Oh my gosh. Yeah. You may come inside, sir. Yeah. He will park the car here. Yeah. Welcome to Philippines again. Yan. Kumusta, sir, ang biyahe? Magpatayan tayo ng English ngayon. Char. Ayan. Ha? Ano? Dual kay ex mo kasi. Ayan. Yung mga maleta ni sir. Ayan, sir. Sige guys. Puntahan natin yung mga girls. Ito na.
Can I carry dessert? Yes.
Sabi ko may balat sa puwet.
Bakit, ma'am?
I show you.
Meron.
Na-release na kayo.
Na-release na po. Thank you po.
Thank you for that.
Ayan. Kumusta, girls? Sige lang, sir. Girls.
The office had things they wanted me to deliver, like chocolates and treats and whatnot.
Yan. Ito na po, dumating na kami dito sa bahay ng Ma'am PV Love at kasama po si Sir Mark.
Hi, Mark. That's Irene.
Hi.
Irene.
Kayo,
I'm horrible with names, so we're gonna have to ask again sometime.
Erna,
Erna.
Marjorie.
Marjorie. Hello.
ayan.
Erna.
Erna.
And Marjorie. It's gonna take a while.
Ayan, ang future. Ano mo, Irene? Siya na ba, Irene? Siya na ba inaantay natin?